Question number 1. The given quadratic equation 3x square plus root 7x plus 2 equal to 0 has two equal roots, two distinct real roots, more than two real roots, no real roots. For this rule is if d equal to 0, d means discriminant equal to 0, d equal to 0 means roots are equal. If d greater than 0, roots are different, two real roots but different, and if d less than 0, then roots are not real, imaginary. So let's find d. d equal to your b square minus 4ac, root over of b square minus 4ac. Here b is root 7. So b square means 7 minus 4 into 3 into 2. That is 7 minus 24. That is your negative number. So this is your not real. Come to the second part. Mr. Arjun deposits rupees 500 per month for 18 months in a recurring deposit account at a certain rate. If he earns rupees 570 as interest at the time of maturity, then his matured amount. Matured amount formula is n into p plus I. N is here 500, n is here 18, p is 500. So n into p means 18 into 500 plus I means 570. This is interest. N into p plus I. Which of the following cannot be the probability of any event? For probability, numerator should be less than the denominator. Denominator is the total output or sample output, and numerator is the possible output. Possible output less than the total output. So numerator should be less than the denominator. So this is not possible. Answer is A. Now next question. The equation of the line passing through origin and parallel to the line. Passing through the origin means there will be no s and x-intercept and y-intercept. This is your passing through origin. There will be no x-intercept and y-intercept. And this is your y equal to mx plus c. There will be no y-intercept, so there will be no constant terms. There will be no constant term means c, d. Now this line parallel to the required line. Two lines are parallel, so slope are equal. Slope are equal means this is 3x plus 4y means this is also 3x plus 4y, and there will be no constant part. So answer is D. Y equal to mx plus c. M is your slope. Both slope are equal, and there will be no c part, constant part. C is y intercept. A equal to 0, 1, 1, 0, a square. A square means multiply this one. Given a equal to 0, 1, 1, 0, find a square. A square is a into a. This is your first row into first column. First row means 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1. So 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1 is your 1. Next is first row into second column. First row is 0, 1 and second column is your 1, 0. 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0. That is a 0. Next is second row, first column. You have to multiply second row of first matrix and first column of second matrix. This is your second row, first column. Second row, first column is 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. This is your 0. Next is second row, first column. Second row, first column, this is 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. This is 1. So, matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1 is the required matrix. ACD angle is given 120 degree. To find AEC angle, here it is ACD angle is a 120 degree given, and it is a exterior angle of the triangle ABC and AC equal to BC. That means opposite angle of this equal sides equal. So this A angle and B angle equal and exterior angle is 120. So 120 equal to exterior angle 120 equal to A angle plus B angle. That means B angle and A angle are 60 degree 60 degree. 120 by 2, that is 60 degree. B angle is your 60 degree. Now ABCE is a quadrilateral. So E angle is 180 minus 60. Opposite angles are, sum of opposite angle is 180. So E angle is 120. 180 minus 160, that is 120. The factor common to the two polynomial s square minus 4 and s cube minus s square minus 4s plus 4 each. Come to the solution part. Factorize x square minus 4. X square minus 4 is x square minus 2 square, that is x minus 2 into x plus 2. Now put the value of x as 2. X minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 2. Put the value of x as 2 in this equation and see whether it is 0 or not. Putting the value of x as 2, this equation is 0. So x minus 2 is a common factor. Now putting the value of x as minus 2, x plus 2 equal to 0, x value of x is minus 2. Putting the value of x as minus 2 in this equation, that is also 0. So x plus 2 is also a factor. So common factor are x minus 2 or x plus 2. Correct answer is x minus 2. A man invested in a company paying 12% dividend on his share. If the percentage return on his investment is 10%, then the shares are dash. At par, below par, above par cannot be determined. At par. At par means if MB equal to NB. Below par means if MB less than NB. Above par means if MB greater than NB. Now come to the solution part. A man invested in a company paying 12% dividend. Dividend rate equal to 12%. If the percentage return on his investment is 10%, return percentage is 10. Dividend percentage is 12, return percentage is 10, and let the nominal value is 100. Then we have to find the MB. MB formula for MB is equal to NB into dividend percentage by return percentage. So this is your 100 is NB into 12 is a dividend percentage by return percentage is 10. So this is your 120. Now MB is 120 and NB is 100. MB greater than NB, so it is your above par. Now question number 9. The point which is equidistant from three non-collinear points DEF is the circumcenter of the triangle DEF. The incenter of a triangle is the point where the bisector of the angle intersect. Both are true. Why? See, this is true because the circumcenter is the intersection of perpendicular bisectors and is equidistant from all three vertices. The incenter of a triangle is the point where the bisectors of the angle intersect. This is true because the incenter is the intersection of the angle bisector and is equidistant from the three sides. Incenter means equidistant from the three sides. Circumcenter means equidistant from the three vertices. Question number 10. If sin square a plus sin a equal to 1, then cos to power 4a plus cos square a equal to 1. Reason 1 minus sin square a equal to cos square a. This is 1 minus sin square a equal to cos square a. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square a equal to cos square a is true. This statement is true. But here sin square a plus sin a equal to 1, then cos to power 4a plus cos square a equal to 1. Let us see the solution. See, sin square a plus sin a equal to 1. Here see, sin square a plus sin a equal to 1 given. So, sin square a equal to 1 minus sin a. Arrange this one, sin square a equal to 1 minus sin a. Now, 1 minus sin square a, take this sin a this left side, 1 minus sin square a. Sin a equal to 1 minus sin square a. You see, this is sin a, keep this one left side. take sin square A to right side. So this is your sin A equal to 1 minus sin square A. Now 1 minus sin square A is your cos square A. That is given in your region part also. This is your 1 minus sin square A means cos square A. Now sin A equal to cos square A. Now square both sides. Square both sides. This is your sin square A and this is your cos to power 4A. Now sin square A is your 1 minus cos square A and this is your cos to power 4A. So this is your cos to power 4A. Take cos square A. Right side cos to power 4A plus cos square A equal to 1, which is given. So this is true. Both assertion and reason are true. So answer is C. C is the correct answer. Now to the 11. In the given diagram, triangle ABC similar to triangle EFG. If ABC angle equal to EFG angle equal to 60 degree, then the length of the side FG. ABC. This is your here. ABC angle equal to 60 degree. EFG angle also here. EFG angle 60 degree. The length of FG. This FG length. Okay. This is 25 given and this is 75 given. Sides are in proportional. Sides are in proportional means your FE divided by AB equal to GF divided by BC. FE divided by AB equal to 75 by 15 is your 5. So GF divided by BC is your 5. So GF equal to 5 into 3, 15 centimeter. Now question number 12. If the volume of two spheres is in the ratio 27 is to 64, then the ratio of the radius. Formula for volume. This is formula for volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Take r1 for first sphere and r2 for second sphere. Radius r1, radius r2. Now v1 is to v2 is given 27 is to 64. So 4 by 3 pi r1 cube divided by 4 by 3 pi r2 cube is given 27 is to 64. 4 by 3 pi is common for both this pair, so cancel it. Then this is your r1 by r2 whole cube is v1 by v2. So this is your r1 by r2 whole cube is 27 is to 64. Cube root of both is 3 by 4. So r1 by r2 is your 3 by 4. Answer is 3 is to 4. Now come to the question number 13. The mark price of an article is rupees 1375. If the CGST is charged at the rate of 4%, then the price of the article including GST. CGST is given 4%. CGST plus SGST is your total GST. So price including GST is 8% of 1375. So answer is your option D, rupees 1485. Now come to the question number 14. This is given 0 less than minus x by. See, this is given 0 less than minus x by 3. 0 less than minus x by 3, take 3 to this side, so 3 into 0 is 0. Then 0 less than minus x. 0 less than minus x. We have to multiply minus both sides. So this is your symbol will be changed. Symbol will be changed means 0 greater than x. It will be 0 greater than x. So this is 0 greater than x. Now here this is minus x by 3 less than 2. That means minus x less than 6. Minus x less than 6. Now to multiply minus both sides, the symbol will be changed. So x greater than x, this is less than x greater than minus 6. It will be x greater than minus 6. Okay, so this is your x greater than minus 6 and x less than 0. X greater than minus 6, x less than 0 means option A. This is greater than minus 6 means minus 5. Less than 0 means from minus 1. Less than 0. This is less than 0. This is greater than minus 6. So option A is correct. Now come to the question number 15. Question number 15 given The mean of first 9 natural number is 4.5. Mean of first 9 natural number. Sum of 9 number is your n into n plus 1 by 2. That is your 9 into 10 by 2. That is equal to 45. Here is given 4.5. This is your 45. This is given 4.5. So this is wrong. Then this is given mean equal to sum of all the observation by total number of observation. This is correct. This is false and this is correct. A mean by total number of observation. Sum of observation means sum of number from 1 to 9. Formula is sum of n number formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. That is 9 into 10 by 2. 9 into 10 by 2 is your 45. 45 by 9 is 5. But answer is given 4.5. So this is your 5. This is your false. A is false and B is true.